Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step, beginner-friendly tutorial on how to apply heat transfer vinyl to a canvas pouch. If you want to see how I achieve this, then stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start right here in Design Space on the canvas. I have already uploaded my design. If you need to know how to upload designs, you can check out my How to Apply Vinyl video, which will be linked down below. I go step by step on how to upload designs as well as how to create a design. So what we're going to do first is resize the design to fit the pouch. I'm going to drag over the design. I can resize it either by pulling it out on the sides or going up to the top panel where it says size and manually change the width or the height. I'm going to change the height to 3 1/4, then click return, which automatically changes the width of the design. You want to be sure that you've clicked attach down here in the right panel. Right now it says detach because I previously attached the entire design, but this is what it would look like. You want to make sure that you click attach so when you get to the make screen, the entire image will be exactly where it is on the canvas. This rule of thumb is only if your design is one color. I need to duplicate this because I want to put the design on both sides of the pouch. I'm going to come up to the top of the right panel and click on duplicate. If you need more than one of the same design, I would suggest sizing it first, then duplicating it so you're automatically getting the same size design. Now we're ready to make it. I'm going to click on Make in the top corner, then choose on Mat. Using the 12 by 12 mat is just fine for this project. Now click Confirm. On this screen is where you can make adjustments depending on where your material is on your mat. Since I'm using HTV, also called iron-on, I want to click Mirror, then Continue. Here is where you choose your cut setting. When working with new material, you always want to do a test cut to make sure your machine cuts the material out properly using whichever setting you choose. I'm going to click on Everyday Iron-On, then put the cutting mat and material into the Cricut. I place my material on the cutting mat. You can smooth it down with your hands, but I find that the brayer tool really gets the vinyl down and eliminates some of the air bubbles. The Cricut is done cutting the material, so I'm going to place it face down and pull the mat away from the material instead of the other way around. This material weeds like butter. I love it. At this moment is when I realized something was wrong. I left this mistake in here so you can see and learn from me. Let me explain. The word the is in cursive. Do you see how there are breaks in the vinyl instead of it flowing seamlessly from one letter to the next? That was the mistake I made, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. Unfortunately, that means cutting the design again, but it happens from time to time. To fix this mistake, what I'm going to do is weld everything together. You should only do this when your entire design is one color. If the word enjoy was going to be pink and the word the was going to be blue, you couldn't do this technique the way I'm about to show you. But because it's all one color, I'm going to come down here on the layers panel where it says Combine and click on Weld. I'm going to do the same thing for this one and click Weld. Now that I have welded them both, you can see in the right panel that we only have 2 layers now. That's because all of the pieces from the design have become one. That's how you would fix this mistake. Okay, let's make it again. I'm weeding it, and this time the design is perfect. I'll start with preheating the pouch. You may be wondering why I'm using my large heat press for such a small project. I've made several of these pouches in the past, and I find that they come out flawlessly when I use my big press. I've tried using my mini press on more than one occasion, and I do not like the results. So, to get the results I want, I let my trusty friend do the work. I place the design on the pouch, then bring it to the side of the press where the zipper is exposed. I let it press for 15 seconds at 308 degrees. And it's done. I draw out that heat on a cool surface and expose the beauty of this tech wrap vinyl. Time to do the other side, but I'm going to speed through this one. Both sides are done, and that's how you apply vinyl to a canvas pouch. As I fill this pouch with a few little things, remember to enjoy the little things in life. Thank you all so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next one.